Hello everyone, my name is Esteban Tavera and this is my week 7 tutorial for Python. For this week, I decided to show you guys how to print a title. Something simple, but it could be really helpful. So first we begin with a prompt right here. We call this title Esteban's tutorial because it's me and it's my tutorial. Next, we define the title, and right here we get the length of the statement. Over here, we initialize the result for the string variable. And then as you guys may see, these are little box, and then as a return we get a result, and then let's run this. It works fine. Let's switch the name to my tutorial, and it works good. Thank you guys for watching.